Hey, what's going on, y'all? Well, I've got a winner, and well, he's here right now. I'm gonna go give him the knife. Let's go. It's gonna be awesome. There's the knife right there. There we go. Let's go give it to him.
Oh, jeez. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, bro. What? Dude, I'm in a gunfight.
RYTHRIL!
Yo.
Hey, just want to let you know you're the winner. Here you go. For the name Beastmaster64. That's gonna be my new channel name.
You're serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Give me that back.
Oh.
You're not 18.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, y'all. So, you know the name Meathead is gonna be no longer, so I had to go ahead and I had to do a search for a new name. I'd just like to say thank you to everybody that gave suggestions. I had about over 500 comments and names that actually come in, so I had a lot of names to sift through and everything else. But here's a list of some of the names that came down to like my final page, and I had to see, I had to scratch out names and everything else. Patriotic Barbecue, Head Meat Barbecue Reviews, Cooking with Head Meat, Big Barbecue Badass, No Gimmick Cooking, Wizard Meat, Mad Meat Scientist, Put Up or Shut Up Barbecue, Flesh Noggin, Meat Candy with Head Meat, The American Barbecue Experience, Meat Gangster, Meat University, Meat Scientist, MeatCrazy.com, Kick-Ass Barbecue, The Meat Man Barbecue and Review, Major Meat, The MeatCranium, Put 'em Up Barbecue, Advanced Barbecue Technology, Meataholic Barbecue and Review, Magical Meat Man, Meat Militia, Meat Freak Barbecue, The Head Meat Experience, Meaty Almighty, No BS Barbecue, Barbecue Head, Meat Papa, Real Magic Meat Show, Meat Master Barbecue, Carnivore Cranium, Meat Boss and Review, Meat Boss Barbecue, Barbecue Matriarch, and Meaty McMeatface. That one is really fun. So I came down after eliminating a bunch. I came down with a final four, and here are the final four. Final four is in no particular order: MeatCranium, or the MeatCranium, Carnivore Cranium, Meat Papa, and the last one is Matriarch Barbecue. So with those four were the ones that I had to, I asked my wife, I asked my son, and I took their advice and see what they said. So I came down with the final two. So out of those final two, came down to MeatCranium and Barbecue Matriarch. Basically, Matriarch is a take from Patriarch, which means leader, father of a group. And of course, MeatCranium. Cranium is just another word for head. Now it came to those two. Now those I have been bantering back and forth for a while, and so today made the decision that my official name, my official channel name, is going to be MeatCranium, but I'm going to add Barbecue and Review. So it's still going to be Meathead, it's just going to be MeatCranium, Barbecue and Review. There you go. And the winner would be Gregor Miller. He's the one that actually suggested that name, so Gregor, I appreciate it. As a bonus, I also included a flap steak recipe, really quick, just something I did kind of like at nighttime, just you know, something I just threw together real quick, and I decided to throw this recipe in for y'all. So enjoy this. And Gregor Miller, I will be in contact with you. Thank you very much. Enjoy. So I am now MeatCranium, Barbecue, and Review. See you guys.
I'm a flame, you're a fire. I'm the dark in need of light. When we touch, you inspire. Feel the change. mix, you're from wine. Perfect strangers in the night. Here we are, come together. To the world we'll testify. Our hearts alive.